Hey guys, so today I thought about filming a short little video on a free mod that I did on my V-Rod. Most motorcycles, when they come from the factory nowadays, they're very quiet. They have giant baffles in the exhaust. A lot have, newer bikes at least, not this one, have catalytic converters on them. And you have to get a full aftermarket exhaust, headers, mufflers, everything to get a little bit of sound out of them and make them sound good. But on this bike particularly, any VRSC or V-Rod, there's a quick little mod you could do to the mufflers to get some sound out of it. And I will show you. So for this mod, it's as simple as just doing the old school trick of drilling a couple holes in the mufflers. I know a lot of the time people see stuff like this and they're like, why would you ever do that? It's, a bad way to do things, but it gets the sound out of it that you want for just a free setup. I'm going full exhaust on this bike. I've already ordered the full exhaust and a tuner, but for those that don't want to spend the money, this is a quick little way to do it. Get that little bit of sound out of it while not being too loud, but it doesn't cost you anything. The only thing that you need to use is a drill bit. In my case, I used a 3/8 drill bit, just like this. And as you can see, drilled 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top and bottom muffler. And it's as simple as that. It just gives you a little bit of sound, doesn't mess with performance. The bike still runs great, don't have to throw a tuner on it. So it's a nice simple little mod for those that don't want to spend any money. So let's start up the bike and see. So there you guys go. Free, simple to do, takes no time at all, and that's what it sounds like. It ends up sounding like what it probably should have sounded like to begin with. It doesn't drone when you're driving down the road. It's loud when you get on it, but not too loud. It's just a good balance, especially for not having to pay anything. So if you guys like the video, feel free to subscribe for more. I've got a bunch more stuff I'm doing to this. I got a full exhaust for it, a tuner, and a bunch of more stuff that I'm planning in the future. Until next time, guys, have a good one.